to a great day two here. And I'm very happy to welcome our first keynote speaker of the day, Mr. Ravi Naik, who's the Executive Vice President of Storage Services and CIO at Seagate. Let me have the honor to introduce Ravi, with whom I had, honor to work together as well previously at SanDisk. Ravi has over 25 years of experience in the technology industry. Ravi Naik has successfully led large transformative initiatives at various companies, leveraging ideas and technology platform focused on future growth and opening new business models and markets. Prior to joining Seagate in 2017, Ravi was Senior VP of Technology at Katera, a technology startup around the construction industry by transforming the way buildings and spaces come to life. Before this, in 2007, Ravi joined SanDisk to lead an enterprise-wide transformative initiative. Following the success of SanDisk transformation in IT, he was appointed as Chief Information Officer, remaining with SanDisk through its sale to Western Digital in 2016. Prior to SanDisk, Ravi held leadership positions at Mercury Interactive, Hewlett Packard, and 3Com Corporation. Ravi Naik holds a bachelor degree in electrical engineering from University of Bombay in India. Welcome, Ravi Naik, in listening to his keynote address now. Over to Ravi.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ravi Naik. I am CIO for Seagate Technology, as well as EVP of the Emerging Storage Solutions business. I have a passion for technology. I wake up every morning excited by the vast opportunities ahead of us as Seagate embarks on our next chapter of innovation and leadership in storage services. Some thoughts I have that you will take away from our time together today. Seagate is the mass capacity leader backed by 40 years of HDD technology innovation. Data growth is exploding, and this trend will continue. As the data sphere scales and the need to securely capture, move, and store data across the distributed enterprise increases, new opportunities are arising for Seagate. We are well positioned and executing to an aggressive plan to capitalize on this opportunity. We look forward to continued partnership with India as we jointly expand our vibrant ecosystem. For data storage, Seagate is the industry leader. Our business generates $10+ billion of revenue annually and has shipped over 3 zettabytes of storage capacity. That's enough space to hold 30 billion 4K movies or 60 billion video games, enough to let you enjoy non-stop gameplay for 86,700 lifetimes. We have 40,000 skillful global resources, 7 manufacturing sites equipped with nano-precision technology and smart manufacturing capability. We have been leading and perfecting storage technology for more than 40 years. For the last 5 to 10 years, cloud has been the biggest growth in demand for mass capacity storage. With cost being such a key driver behind storage economics, we have developed a strong portfolio of HDD technology solutions, including our common platform drive family that extends from 16 and 18 terabytes to 20 terabytes using PMR technology and scales beyond that using HAMR and SMR. We are also innovating on drive performance with our dual actuator MAC2 effectively delivering twice the I/O performance. Our decades of innovation extend beyond HDD hardware. We design our own ASIC chips, which are shipping in our high-capacity drives today and have extensive software experience from years of integration into complex application spaces. Let's take a step back and look at the innovation of digital data. Starting with IT 1.0, the beginning of the data age meant that mainframe computers and basic software begin to mediate information. We realized the potential of the digital age. IT 2.0 became the first wave of significant data growth. PCs and client-server workstations provided direct access to data. Most data in this paradigm is local and just stored, not activated. Mobile and cloud computing became key with IT 3.0. Data grows to petabyte scale thanks to intelligent apps, which send information to the cloud for backups and analysis. But data is not fully harnessed for business intelligence. Today, we are in a new era of IT 4.0 where data is active, not passive. AI is used for prediction. IoT data is analyzed and acted upon. This is driving a massive explosion of data and data storage needs at the edge. We are all aware of the many different technologies generating the need for data storage at the edge. Traffic patterns to provide enhanced safety and security, consumer behavior to characterize buying patterns, or smart factory applications to help drive efficiencies. There are autonomous vehicles collecting information for dynamic learning and genome applications analyzing massive data sets to help in medical advancement research. The list of innovations and uses for data is long and growing, and driving the need for mass capacity storage in both the cloud and at the edge. However, at the heart of it all is the ability to capture, move, and ultimately preserve the right data in a central location to drive actionable insights and extract values. Over the next 5 years, we project 70% of the data being stored in the cloud and at the edge will end up in a sprawling, more complex distributed enterprise. There will always be a role for the core, but this centralized cloud storage will only be part of the solution. For example, applications requiring immediate access to data or caching would reside at the micro edge, very close to the source of data creation. Whereas applications such as AI training that requires massive pools of data and heavy workloads would reside in a metro edge. More data is being created than ever before, but only 1/3 of the data created is captured, stored, and put to work. Organizations face key challenges in accessibility, storage costs, and security that limit their ability to unlock the full potential business value of their data. The data growth explosion, coupled with an increasingly distributed environment, is creating costs, scale, and complexity challenges for CIOs like me. As the mass capacity leader, we understand the challenges well and are well positioned to address these challenges. Starting with our leadership in mass capacity storage and broad capabilities in software, device silicon design, and detailed contributions in many industry standards, we have accumulated over 4 decades of expertise integrating into many kinds of systems and architectures. The Live platform offers a simple, cost-efficient, and secure way to manage massive volumes of data across the distributed enterprise. Live Mobile takes our years of expertise and feedback from consumers and creates an enterprise quality solution to transfer mass capacity data between the endpoints, edge, and core cloud. Live Rack offers private cloud building blocks for customers at the macro edge with optimized cost for petabyte solution. And Live Cloud is a fully S3 compatible object storage solution for the metro edge. Live Cloud delivered customers a fully hosted managed service. I will speak a bit more about Live Cloud and Live Mobile next. Seagate's leadership in mass capacity HDDs is the catalyst for Live Cloud success. Live Cloud doesn't exist without our leadership in innovation and history in HDD technology. The question I ask myself is how can Seagate take the innovation, the knowledge, the experience, and expertise that we have and use it to really monetize this from a services point of view? We, along with our partners, have an opportunity to leverage all of Seagate's innovation and years of expertise to monetize this and be part of the services industry. Live Cloud, a simple, trusted, efficient storage as a service, built for customers to easily store, manage, and activate mass capacity data with predictable cost economics. Live Cloud leverages the combined expertise and capabilities of Seagate and Equinix, the world's digital infrastructure company. We're excited to collaborate with Equinix to place Live Cloud infrastructure in their co-location data centers. And Live Cloud is S3 compatible. making it suitable for many applications. Live Cloud is positioned for multiple data-intensive use cases, from backend for backup and archive to big data analytics and several others across industry verticals. Live Cloud offers a single storage tier with no multi-tier complexities and price bands. Customers know exactly the profile of the storage and what it costs them. The data is always available to access without wait and can be put to work. There is one pricing based on capacity stored during the period. There are no extras like read and write access fees or other billing surprises. Live Cloud supports S3 interface, making it a simple step to connect applications and move data. With Live Cloud, data is always encrypted and protected against malicious attacks. And Live Cloud's ISO 27001 and SOC 2 certifications meet the data security needs of enterprise customers. We know data access is crucial for customers not only to run their business, but to unlock its value with analytics. Live Cloud offers multiple regions with resilient infrastructure to ensure data is available when needed. Additionally, we believe customer data should remain customer data. Data is always encrypted, and Seagate will not look at the data or monetize it. While working with Equinix, the leader in digital infrastructure space, we see two clear ways to enable edge and data activation at the edge. With Equinix's global presence, Live Cloud customers are able to consume object storage as a service at the edge, interconnecting sources of data for accessibility and real-time analytics. Platform Equinix provides multiple applications for Live Cloud customers to interconnect their cloud storage to compute capability, including Equinix Metal. It's automated, interconnected, and secure bare metal compute as a service. We are tremendously excited about our recently announced partnership with Zoom. Zoom needed a secure and frictionless solution that delivers best-in-class TCO for storing and sharing of their meeting recordings. Live Cloud provides this solution. We make storage economics simple and predictable, regardless of the high volume of meetings recorded or the number of times viewed. Additionally, Live Cloud charges no API or egress fees, and our always-on storage means Zoom users can view the recordings when and whenever they need to. Now I will move to another key product of Seagate's Live portfolio, Live Mobile. With the data growth of IoT devices and other capture sensors deployed out in the field, data gravity at the edge is causing CIOs like myself to look closely on how data is being moved, and the demand to move it is becoming more frequent. Live Mobile offers high-performance storage built with speed and security and distributed through a flexible storage-on-demand subscription model. Not only are these products fast and built for compatibility, but with increasing concern around data security, our products come with self-encrypting drives as well as government-grade crypto erase capabilities. Delivered as a subscription service, enterprises have a predictable monthly cost to stay on budget. In a sense, Live Mobile provides a simple, secure, and efficient means of moving mass data around the distributed system using public logistics networks. It can also be used for data storage at the micro edge. I'd like to share with you one of my favorite examples of Live Mobile in action. In late 2020, the Pacific Coast was hit with a variety of large forest fires. The University of Montana was deployed for aerial coverage for the burn areas. They needed an easy solution to autonomously offload drone and camera footage and quickly move it to the front lines so emergency crews could plan out prescribed burns and look to see where they needed to go next. They have since used shuttles on weather balloons and for blank recording projects with NASA. Live Mobile customer base come from a multitude of different industries, from smart manufacturing and energy farms to autonomous vehicles and healthcare. For media and entertainment, with advent of 4K and now 8K cameras, there is more data created than ever before. Live mobile products facilitate production workflows in a timely and secure manner. When it comes to sensor data being recorded for autonomous vehicles or smart cities, the focus is on quickly, easily, and securely getting unstructured data to a place for local analysis at the edge. Now let us bring it all together. Take the case of autonomous vehicles today. There are several challenges. No easy way to ingest and transport large data, no central orchestration, cost of data movement is very high. With Live Mobile for edge storage and data mobility and Live Cloud for central data storage and activation, you can seamlessly, securely move data from endpoint to edge to Live Cloud and activate your data. India offers an amazing ecosystem, innovations and efficiencies that are second to none. We have great plans to be part of this ecosystem, learn from it, and grow with it. Our 2025 plan includes opening up 5 data centers across 5 metros for a total capacity of 500 petabytes. Building and operating the cloud needs a team. We need cloud operations and engineering people. Partnership is a key pillar of Seagate. For Live Cloud, we are seeking and engaging with partners to deliver complete solutions. I shared with you the data trends, the opportunities that come with it, and the need for data landscape to change. Seagate is building Live portfolio to meet mass capacity needs. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon with Live India. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you for that enlightening discussion about how the data growth is taking place with different industry and different parts of the world. And it was heartening to note that how you are, becoming a service-oriented company while continuing to be a product company. Hope Ravi is live here. Ravi, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very well, Vivek.
Okay. If possible, you can turn on your camera as well. There are just a couple of, yeah, that's where you are. Nice to see you, Ravi. So there are a couple of questions from the audience here that I'd like you to address. The first question that came midway through your presentation that you partially answered towards the end of your presentation was, what's your plan to offer live cloud service for India market?
Yeah, so we have pretty aggressive plans to scale Live Cloud. We currently have under 250 petabytes of storage under management, and our plan is to scale this from 250 petabytes to 10 exabytes by 2023. And India is very much part of that plan. Our plan for India is to have anywhere from 1 to 5 data centers in India in the next calendar year. So we do plan to scale very aggressively in the Asian market, and we're going to start with Singapore, where we are going to launch in November, by the end of November of this year, and we're going to follow very closely in India in the next calendar year.
Okay, thank you. Another question, Ravi, that came up was that like Europe has its GDPR, India is also discussing data localization bill, etc. So if you offer services like this, then all of that data needs to be stored locally. So are you planning to address that?
Absolutely. And in fact, Live Cloud addresses that specific requirement from a GDPR and a data localization perspective. Live Cloud is offered at the metro edge. We are not a hyperscaler, which means we do not really have this one large central data center that is managed in the heart of a continent, but we are actually at the metro edge. So over 250 countries and 250 data centers, we are going to be located in each of the metros. So Live Cloud is going to be really curated for a specific metro's requirements, specific countries' requirements from a security, data localization, and a GDPR kind of a requirement perspective. So yes, absolutely. The idea behind Live Cloud is to ensure that we provide very local service for each of the markets.
Okay. The other related question is, Ravi, of course, Seagate is a very well-known leader in the hard drive space. But when you offer the service, there would be applications that would require high performance as well. So do you offer combination of flash and hard drive as part of your service?
Yeah, so we actually are offering a marketplace. We're going to be launching a marketplace in the near term. Currently, what we have is Live Cloud is object storage as a service solution. In the near term, we will be offering additional services with partners who will be offering solutions like compute as a service, elastic compute, bare metal compute as a service from our partner Equinix, and also data analytics platforms. We will be offering some caching solutions from a flash point of view for certain workloads where there is a need for it. So I do believe that we will have a full spectrum of solutions offering that we will be presenting not only to the India market, but also to the global market.
Okay, thank you. One more question that has come is about data centers are growing in size, speed, as well as capacity. So from Seagate perspective, what are the new technologies that are coming up to address this large capacity storage needs?
So that's a great question. Look, Live Cloud is really about mass capacity storage. What we tell our customers, and Zoom is our latest customer, by the way. So Zoom has essentially contracted with Live Cloud. They've become our partner and customer. And all Zoom meetings that are recorded are now recorded really on Live Cloud. So that's actually a very good value proposition for Zoom. It's a very good value proposition for Seagate. But essentially, what this validates is that Live Cloud is about mass capacity storage. Mass capacity storage essentially means large volumes of data that do not have a place in the current public cloud offering. So, offering a TCO value proposition for large volumes of data to be stored in the public cloud is really what we are addressing. So, from a customer base point of view, what we are looking at is backup as a service, archival as a service, content repositories. Media and entertainment is a huge market segment for us with 4K videos being generated, surveillance, and data analytics. These are the market segments that we are really pursuing. This is where really the value proposition of Live Cloud is seeing a lot of attach.
Okay, great, Ravi. Thank you. And I can just comment that from India perspective, India is building 100 plus smart cities. So all of that data storage on the cloud looks like a good opportunity for you. And as you know, being from Mumbai, India is the biggest movie producer, especially Mumbai and many other cities. So I think media entertainment industry also needs a lot of storage. So good
Absolutely,
luck with
Vivek. And
that. And
we are actually
yeah.
working. Absolutely. We are working very closely with the media and entertainment industry in Mumbai. Not only is Live Cloud a destination for this industry, but our data shuttles are a great attraction for this industry because this allows us for low cost, large capacity data movement. So you hit it spot on. We are looking at this marketplace, but also India is a very thriving and growing market where we believe that Live Cloud and its TCO model is going to really bring a great deal of value. So we're looking forward to entering the India marketplace in the near term and looking forward to really working and building the network for us to really grow and scale there.
Thank you, Ravi. I really appreciate your time at this hour. You're live from California here. So now, in interest of time, I won't be able to take any more questions. If there are more questions, we will send them through email to you to answer. But thank you again for joining this enlightening session.